Spec. Unit type. Wiring harness. Tilt trim. Brief. Converts 3-wire tilt trim motors to 2-wire wire harness 30A fuse 12 volts 20A. 30A relays 553,908 female bullet connector terminals on the blue and green wires. Replaces OEM numbers. Arrowhead. TRM 9200. EMP parts. 4-6823. JN. 113-22002. Mercury Marine. 84-819514A15. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, we'll replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket wiring harness, tilt amp. Trim built to meet OEM specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Great price. I got these to replace my 20-year-old ones. Perfect, easy to install mounting bracket ECT. I used rubber tape along the seam just to avoid corrosion. Well worth the money if you're replacing.